In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your site title in Squarespace. Your site title is a small but important detail. It usually appears in the header of your site, and it can also show up in browser tabs and search results depending on your settings. Keeping it clear and consistent helps visitors recognize your brand instantly and makes your site feel polished. Let's walk through the update together so you can make the change with confidence. Start inside your website editor, looking at a page where the header is visible. Move your cursor to the top of the preview and choose the option to edit the site header. This opens the header controls right on the page, so you can see changes as you make them. Once the header is editable, click directly on your current title in the header. You should see it highlight or become active. If your design uses a logo image, the text title might be smaller or less prominent, but you can still access the title field through the header settings you've just opened. The key is that you're now focused on the area where your title lives. Next, look for a small pencil icon that indicates you can edit the text. Click that pencil to open the detailed settings for your header branding. Squarespace uses this icon to signal that a field has its own configuration, so this is where you'll find the actual title text you can modify. In the settings panel, locate the field labeled Site Title. Click into that field and type the new title exactly as you want it to appear. Keep it short, readable, and brand first. A concise title tends to look better in tight spaces and can help with clarity in search results and browser tabs. Pay attention to capitalization and spacing, and avoid excessive punctuation or emoji that might not render consistently across devices. If your title includes a tagline elsewhere on your site, don't duplicate it here. This field is best used for the core name of your brand or site. As you type, watch the live preview to confirm the new title fits your header layout and doesn't wrap awkwardly. Most templates update in real time. If you see an option to confirm your changes, such as Done or Save, go ahead and click it to lock in the update. Finally, take a quick look at another page and, if available, the mobile preview to ensure the title displays cleanly everywhere. That's it. Your site title is updated and ready to represent your brand across your site.